Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials so changes actually apply. First, confirm your Apple Watch is paired and within Bluetooth range of your iPhone, otherwise notifications won't relay. Once done, make sure both devices are updated to the latest OS and have adequate battery. Updates often fix notification bugs. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and check the connection status at the top. If you see not connected, restart both devices before proceeding to notification settings. Next, you'll control how alerts route to your wrist. In the Watch app, tap Notifications and decide between mirroring your iPhone or setting custom behavior. Mirroring is simpler, but custom gives app-level control. For problematic apps, toggle their individual notification preference to allow and confirm alert style on your iPhone. Also inspect Focus or Do Not Disturb on both devices. A focus can silence watch alerts even when your phone shows them. After changes, send a test notification to verify. To finish, apply decisive fixes if notifications still fail. Restart both devices first. If that doesn't help, unpair and repair the watch from the Watch app, which recreates the connection. As a last resort, reset network settings on the iPhone or erase and set up the watch again. These clear stubborn configuration problems. If things go wrong, one key tip: check the specific app's notification permissions and background app refresh on the iPhone, since blocked app permissions often prevent watch alerts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.